Alright, here's something I've been wanting to do for quite some time, ever since I got the material. It was suggested to me that I try carbon fiber or graphite fiber brushes to reduce the friction and keep the wear down on the rotor segments. So I ordered this graphite fiber cloth. It wasn't very expensive, $5 or $6 for a yard of that stuff. And you pull off the strands and you wrap a copper wire around the strands and then solder the copper wire, and then I use crazy glue to secure the whole brush onto that wire. And I made another one of these Voss type of electrostatic generators, and this one doesn't work very good, but it was a good test subject for these brushes, and these brushes actually work really good. And let me show you, see if I can get this to work here. I've got a little electroscope here. You should be able to see this flare out when I get this going here. It spins rather freely, and there's no bearings really on this. It's just the lid of a jar, and that's or a pill bottle, and that's just a hole in the bottom of the pill bottle. That's a smaller pill bottle with segments on it. And the stator has two plates, one on each side, and it's basically cross-wired, so it shorts out the capacitor. But one thing I learned on this design was the closeness of the stator and the rotor, just like a regular electric motor, is rather critical. And you start opening up that space there, and you start losing efficiency right away. So this was a real good learning tool for this. But let's see if I can get this to flare out here for you. There she goes. And there goes the motor. And I'm just spinning this with my fingers here. I tried putting a crank on it, but I couldn't get it going fast enough really to make this work. But yeah, this thing does work, and it was a real good test on these graphite fiber. And I got this on eBay. Like I say, it was about $5 or $6 for a yard. And I just took some strands of that off. There's enough brush material there for a billion motors. That's way overkill. But yeah, it made for a very friction-free rotor stator brush setup, and then appears to work quite well. And if I motorized this, the wear right here would be minimum. These brushes don't seem to bother that aluminum segments at all. They just brush right on by it. Anyway, that's the latest with my electrostatic motors experiments with the graphite fiber, carbon fiber brushes. Thanks for watching.